Today we are doing slime. So we need borax, we need measuring, we need this, we need glue, and we need this one. We need this one, the blue, and the black. Okay. And we need this two sticks to stir. Okay, now we need water. And I'm gonna make good slime. Step 1, we're gonna put the water 5 times on here. Let's do it. No, I shoved it. That's good. Okay. 1. And number 2. Oh my God, I forgot. Put in a whole 5. Now we're gonna do 5 teaspoons of borax. Let's do it. Fill this thing up. Put it under. That was step 3. We're gonna mix this. Here's like smell it. Okay, do this. Get a little bit wet. Sound like a noise. Sound like funny noise. I don't know what's this. Now we're gonna do 15 shots of food coloring. Okay? Put this guy right here. Let's open this. Okay. That was 2. 2, 6, 7, 18, 19. I only needed to do 15. I did 20. Okay, now we're going to do 1. Now we're going to mix it. Okay, we're done doing the serving. Now we're going to get this thing. Put it here. And let's put the glue. Dump it inside. Ooh, spoon. Okay, now we're going to do the glue. Glue. A lot of glue, a lot of... Oh, I need more glue, but not a lot. That's all glue. Okay, now we're going to stir the thing. Okay, let's stir this. Okay, now we're going to put this in there. Take this out. Too much slime. Now we're going to pour this in there. This is the funnest part I ever seen. This is the funnest part I ever seen. Now we're gonna do it for hands. Let's do it. Oh my gosh, so messy. It does look like a slime. It looks like slime. Turn it into slime. It's real slime. I'm gonna put decorations on it. It'll look pretty. Ooh, watch this slime. Ooh. Punch it, punch it, punch it, punch it, punch it, punch it. I promise. Oh, damn, I'm roasting. Oh, look at, oh Oh my god. Oh man. As big as me. Put this cookie. Now we're gonna put this out and do these. Take the whole thing out. Dump it out. You see them, guys? Okay, now we're gonna make the cone thing. Okay, let's put this. Put this. Putting it under. That. Okay, what are we gonna do with these? Stamp, stamp. Put a little bit of these things. I'm gonna do some of these. These. Okay, now we're gonna squeeze it together like a real stuff. Rectangle, And subscribe to these videos and tell me what color you want me to do next. And tell me what kind of ingredients you want me to put on these. Okay? Subscribe.